Alright team, thanks for coming today. I know you guys is on tight schedule, so I will keep the focus and structure. Let's start by outlining the objective that for our upcoming major project. What we need to achieve is the full production and delivery of 145 custom ebooks for Winchester College, and we got exactly 8 weeks to do it. These projects aim to help the college prepare for new school year by converting traditional material into digital, well-designed and accessible ebooks. Here's how the work breaks down. 80 text-only ebooks to minimal formatting required. 45 partly illustrated ebooks need basic visual edit, and the last one is 20 fully illustrated ebooks with full design effort from scratch. And our objectives are delivery of ebooks on or before the 1st of August. Ensure accuracy, clarity, and correct formatting. Maintain effective client communication and keep our internal coordination smooth and transparent. We set out to make the workflow predictable and efficient. Probably the best way to do is to follow a clear 5-step process. Number 1 is receive content batches from the client starting next Monday. Classify them based on complexity and type. Assign tasks to the right team. Provide weekly progress updates. And the last one is hold internal check-in meetings every Monday. Now let's talk about responsibilities. The project will involve the following roles. Thanh Huyền, you will in charge of design and illustration. Mỹ Huyền, you will manage IT and file setup. Vân Anh, you will handle our client communication. And Phương Ngọc, you will lead the quality control. Before we move forward, I want each of you to explain how to plan to handle your part, how long will it take, what method you will use, and any risky for budgeting concern for your forests. Let's move into planning.
Okay, thank you for our project manager. I'm Thanh Huyền. I'm from the design team. From the design side, we are going to start with the text-only ebooks since they are the fastest, and then we will move on to the partly illustrate, and finally the fully illustrate one. Though will take the most time and the resources. To get the result, we need to create a set of renewable template to the same time. We also prepare the raw draft of the illustration content, and we send them to the client by the end of week 3, so we can collect early the feedback. And we are supposed to finish the entire design phase by the week 7. As for Rick Manager, the biggest challenge for us and my team is slow client feedback, so I will keep the early design simple to reduce the review time. Okay, thank you.
Thanks Thanh Huyền, looks solid. Make sure that your team logs their work hours so we can track resources usage. We may need that for the budget report later.
Alright, so on the IT side, we will set up share folders for each category: text only, partly illustrated, and fully illustrated. Everyone will have access based on their role. We are supposed to deliver all files in EPUB and PDF format. So I will begin testing export settings this week. The first test patch will be ready by next Tuesday. Probably the best way to do this is to automate file conversations where possible. If we face any tool failure or file corruption, we will troubleshoot immediately. I will also assign a backup technician. In terms of time and budget, the setup phase will take about 3 to 4 days, and we will need about $200 in licensing fees for new export blockchains.
Got it. Thanks, Min. If you need any support for the plugin cost, please let me know by Friday so I can send you a purchase request.
Thanks, I will be the main contact point, but with just the college to get results, I will send them quickly update every Friday afternoon. I will also design a simple feedback form for them to return quickly, avoiding long email chains. The idea is to keep communication flowing without delay. We are supposed to receive their first content batch by next Monday, so I will confirm that in writing this afternoon. In terms of risk, delayed reply are always a problem. So if that happens, I will follow up within 24 hours and inform the team of any gaps.
Excellent. Make sure all the feedbacks is stored in one place. Maybe a shared client's note documents, and also flag anything that's urgent so we can act quickly.
Thanks. I will take charge of the QA. Our approach is to review a sample part from 8 categories early on so we can detect formatting issues upfront. Probably the best way to do this is to use a QR checklist, which I will have ready by Thursday. We will check for the layout errors, typos, image resolution, and export bugs. For times, a review cycle takes from 2 to 3 days. And I will assign extra reviewers if things fall behind. We are also repairing a risk log in case we see repeated errors. That will help us identify patterns before they grow.
Perfect. Everyone, thanks for your input. Let's make sure we update the task board daily and keep our Monday check-in spirit but effective. We have a target to deliver 145 ebooks by 1st August, and I believe with this plan, we will hit that milestone right on time. Let's get to work.